What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We had an awesome day out here at Buoy 10. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Plus the current was really strong.
He got one. He's on there, he's on there, he's on there.
Big fish.
This is so rough.
This is a big fish, dude. He just keeps coming towards me.
Oh, it's on the motor. Gone?
He's right here. Careful, careful. Oh! Oh, that was close. Oh! He's going that way. Turn the boat, Dad. Oh, never mind. I got him out. Okay, ready? Ready? Here he is. Here he is. Here he is. Hatchery. Hatchery. It's hatchery. Oh!
It's coming in?
Yeah.
You got it flipped?
Yeah. Hold that lead. There you go. That's a nice fish. Here you go, Dad. Hold this. I'll get the bonker. Alright, guys, there he is. We just landed him. Get out of the light for you guys. It's probably a nice 18-pound fish, nice thick fish. Was up to 200 on the line counter, so that was a bit scary there. Can I have the knife? We're gonna bleed him now. So, oh, there, that's a nice fish. All we're gonna do, guys, is just cut his gills, so just like that. Yeah, it is. Yeah, that's a nice fish.
No, I'm going to say 17.8. 17.8.
You saw the numbers.
No, I did not, because I said it's shorter than I thought.
16.
Well, same as that other one.
Well, 15.9. It's like, it's smaller than the other one.
I thought it was a little longer until you picked it up.
There's the first fish of the day, guys. Nice half-inch fish. Weight him, he weighs about 16 pounds. Now Dad just needs to get another one, so stay tuned.
Hey Wally, I'm on the Columbia fishing. I gotta land a fish. 59. No, 59. I'll call you back in just a minute.
I don't think it's that big. It's here.
Why are you gonna run again? That fish went. Turn the boat.
No.
Native?
Yeah. Want a picture? You got your phone?
Yeah.
It's a nice fish. It's here almost, Dad. I was out 70 feet. Oh, it popped off. No, it didn't. Oh God, it swam right at the boat. I'm not. It's a hatchery, I can see it. Well, let's go, that's okay.
Pop them off.
There you go! There you go! Get on there! Get on there! Nice! Here, scoot him back a little bit. Nice. So guys, we're just gonna bleed him. Just gonna cut his gills straight down the middle, just like that. You got one. You got a long ways, so we're good. I got 36, 31. I want to make sure this isn't too tight. It's here. It's coming close. 14, Dad. Oh, it's another nice fish, dude. Here, move that. Can you move that camera out under that pole right there? I got lots. He's pulling line. I want to make sure. Let's squeeze it right on there. I got him, Dad. Point it right at me. Here.
Big fish.
Yeah, it's another nice fish. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. I got the drag loose and everything. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh. Uh-oh. I'm just gonna tighten it a little. Okay.
You got a lot of current here.
Yeah. Oh. Unless the seal got it.
Keep going.
It's at 100.
Why not? pain.
I think.
Fine, darling.
Might have popped off. Yeah. Here, get the net. Nice. Bring it in. Nice. That's a nice fish. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Give me some. Give me some. Woo! I'll get that out. Here, I'll get it out. Nice.
One wasn't coming off. Bent your spinner. Okay, now you can mess with it and I'll just start moseying in easy. Okay?
That one was not coming off. Let's freaking go, baby.
We put our time into that.
God. This is a nice fish. This is at least 18. I don't know, maybe 17, somewhere. No, not 18. I'm saying 17.